Hi, Tim Unkert here. In this video, I want to talk about creating a blog and sharing navigation files between each file in the blog using PHP. So if we, for instance, on our blog, say we had 3 pages: index.php, about.php, contact.php. Maybe we actually have a blog.php as well in that folder. Uh, and occasionally we want to change the header, and we could have a lot more pages. We could have a ton of blog pages, and occasionally we have to change the nav menu and maybe the footer, and we don't want to go through and change them all. Well, we can have a file that we can share. So we could make a header.php here, and we could also have a footer.php as well that we could share between all of the documents. So let's just say in the footer, I just had some basic HTML. So I had a paragraph tag, and it said something like copyright, and then the HTML entity for the copyright symbol, something like Timothy Unkert, all rights reserved. And maybe I had a year. Maybe I was even echoing out the year. You could do that. I'm not going to do that for this video, but you could do that with PHP. But anyway, so we have a copyright here. We want to share that. And then maybe our header file, let's say we have a header here. And then within the header, we have a nav. And then within the nav, we have an unordered list. And then we have links between each of the items here. So let's say we had, actually, we had links here, and let's make a few more of these. Okay, and we had, one was going to the index.php. The other was going to, we have the about.php, and we had the contact.php, and we also had the blog.php. Okay, so we have the blog, we have the contact, we have the about, and we have the index.php, which is the home. Okay, so we wanted to share this file with all our files. So let's say, we create a basic framework here. We'll say this is the home page. We'll save that. Let's find the about page here. Let's do the same thing. This is the about page. Okay, and we do the contact here. So this is the contact page. Okay, and we do the blog page. Actually, I'm going to save that. Sorry. Do the blog page here. So we do HTML, and this is the blog page. Okay, so let's say we want to share our footer and our header through all the pages. Well, we can do that with PHP. So to do that, we're going to use, just write some PHP. So I'm going to do a left arrow bracket, a question mark, then PHP. And then I'm going to say something like include _once, and then the name of the file. So we'll do header.php, do a semicolon and a question mark and a right arrow bracket to include that. I'm just going to duplicate this line. We're going to include the footer here. And we'll have some main body for each page. So I'll do a main tag and just something like an H1. Why is that? Okay, H1 homepage here. And let's just copy this, and we'll put this into our body of our other pages. So we'll go to our blog, paste that in. This is our blog page. We'll just change that. Okay. Go to our about. Paste that in. This is our about page. And we'll go to our contact. Paste that in. This is our contact page. Okay, so I have a server up and running here, so let's check this out. So we go here. This is our blog. Let's go to our index.php page, and hopefully this will load up. Okay, so we've got our menu here. We've got our copyright included. This is our home page. If we go to our about page, we see it changes to about. Go to contact, changes to contact. Go to blog, it changes to blog. Now, let's say I wanted to change something, like change something in the footer, like, I don't know, change it to 2010 to 2022, right? And save it. Okay. Now, if I refresh, it's going to change through each one of these files. Okay. So we've included parts that we can put into each file. We just have to change one file, the footer file, and it changes throughout the rest of our website. Same thing with the nav menu, for instance. Let's say for some reason I wanted in my nav menu, I wanted a link, and I wanted the link to go to Google, right? Let's do that correctly. Okay. And we have a link to Google. If I can spell correctly. Okay, and then we close out that and save it. Now, if we refresh, we'll see that each page is going to have that link to Google. We go to the about, we go to the contact, go to the blog, go to the home page. We all have the link to Google. So anyways, I hope you found this video interesting. This is how you can add parts throughout your website using PHP. It's pretty simple. If you like this video, please give it a like, as it will help get out to more people. I want to thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.